Hello guys, I make a quick video how to replace AC compressor for Gallardo. So let's see. This is the only tools what I have used, so nothing special. And you don't need to take out this oil pump, it's not necessary. Only disconnect the AC lines and that axle. You can take the bolts out for using this kind of little handy tool. So nothing else. Very easy job to do, and this is just a normally Audi part. In Finland this cost 300 euros. So nothing else. Easy job, easy job. Have a good one. Bye.